Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
All right, good evening, everyone. We are group two, and today we're going to present a topic that plays a fundamental role in understanding language and communications. That is semantics and pragmatics. Our group consists of three people. First is Munadia Shahida with student number A12122. 178, and then second si Paulia with student number A12122 185, and then last it's me Mawisatul Fitra with student number A12122 204. All right, for the first topic will be explained by my friends. For si Paulia, time is yours.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity. I will explain about semantic meaning. So, semantic is the study of meaning in language. The meaning of words, phrase, and sentence independent of context. It focuses on the literal meaning that is derived from linguistic elements like vocabulary and grammar. For example, the sentence, "It is raining," semantically means that rain is currently falling. And the next slide. And pragmatic is the study of how context influence meaning. It considers how speakers use language in social situation, including tone, shared knowledge, intention, and implied meanings. For example, if someone say it is cold in here, pragmatically they might be implying that we want the window closed or the heater turned on, not just stating a fact. Okay, I will back to the moderator.
Okay, thank you, Sifaulia, for the explanations. So the second material is about the general difference between semantics and pragmatics. As my friend has explained, that semantic is concerned with the direct meaning of words, phrases, and sentences meaning that doesn't depend on the speakers. Pragmatics, however, looks at how a meaning is shaped by context. Let me give the example. The word apple means a fruit that is usually round, red, green, or yellow in color, and tastes sweet or sour. This meaning focuses on the meaning of the word apple with no additional context. While if someone say besok pagi kita ada apel di lapangan, in this context, apple doesn't mean fruit, but ceremonial activity or official meeting. So, a simple way to remember semantics, what the word mean by themselves, and then pragmatics, what is the speakers mean in context. So for the next explanations will be explained by my friends. For Munadia Syahida, time is yours.
Okay, thank you, moderator. Now I want to explain about the relationship between semantic and pragmatics. Semantic and pragmatics are two closely related areas of linguistics that both deal with meaning, but from different perspective. And then while semantic focus on the literal, conventional meaning of word and sentence. Pragmatics deal with how meaning is influenced by the context in which communication happens. In simple terms, semantic provide the basic meaning of an expression, and then pragmatic adjusts or enriches that meaning depending on the situation, but are essential to fully understanding communication. Without semantic, there would be no clear base meaning, and then without pragmatics, the meaning would often be incomplete or misunderstood in real life interactions. And then how they work together. First, semantic gives you. Pragmatic help you understand the why or how the speaker's real intention based on the situation. Okay, next material will be explained by my friend.
All right, thank you, Muda Shada, for the explanations. So the last material about the importance of understanding semantics and pragmatics in language analysis. So the first point is achieving a full understanding of meaning. Achieving a full of understanding of meaning is important because it can help us avoid misunderstandings in communications. If we only understand the meaning of words literally or from the dictionary without looking at the context and situations, we can misinterpret the intonations of others. So, by understanding both the semantics and pragmatics communications becomes more effective and smooth. So the second point will be explained by my friend. For Siva, time is yours.
Okay, the next importance, the second is avoiding misinterpretations. So there is without understanding pragmatics, listeners may misinterpret the real intention behind words. And without semantics, listeners may miss the basic meaning needed to start interpreting. And the last, analyzing both help prevent misunderstanding, especially in complex or sensitive conversations. Okay, the next will be explained by my friend.
Okay, and then the last point, improving language skill and communication. For the first, for language learners, understanding both semantic and pragmatic improve speaking, listening, and reading and writing skill. And then the last point, it help learner uh, recognize when language is being used literally and when it is being used indirectly or figuratively such as in jokes, sarcasm, or policit requests. Okay, for the next material will be explained by my friend.
So that's all from us to explain semantics and pragmatics. So let me explains about the conclusions. In conclusions, semantics and pragmatics are two crucial components of linguistic analysis that, when understood together, provide a comprehensive and understanding of language. Semantics focus on the literal meaning of words and sentences, while pragmatics aids the contextual layer, highlighting how the situation, speaker, and listener influence the interpretations of those words. So I think that's all from us to presentation our material. So thank you, sir. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.